show the snow. I'll show her.
Oh dude, it's so fun.
Where are we going?
My ear is ringing. We're going to Cathedral of LUND.
Not really, we're going to the bank. But same thing, kind of. Oh yes, we should, but yeah. We can show you all the cathedral when we get there.
No, I didn't do that. We're like, show you all the cathedral. After you were
I wasn't sure if it's called the cathedral or the dome church, like
our
Hannah.
English teacher calls it the dome.
Her name is Hannah.
No, it's not.
Hannah, not
It's
Hannah.
not very stupid, but you know, people say that you can't say the dome church.
Yeah.
But in that case, you can't say the cathedral either, because it is called domkyrkan, which literally means dome church, right?
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
it does.
Literally. That's hard to pronounce it. How do you say it? Literally.
Literally.
Yeah, I say that as well.
Right?
Yes, I say so too.
Yeah, that's good.
But I don't know if that's very correct what I say. And no one has ever objected to it, so
I think it's correct.
I think so. I was gonna say that perhaps if you're British, you say literally. No, you don't say literally, but like literally. Because I know some people say literally. That's like
yeah.
strongly. So yeah, you can start vlogging now if you want to.
No, I was going to show them the town, the city.
What?
The city. What it looks like.
Should we try to speak proper English?
I can't do that without feeling awkward.
Me too. Yes. Well, I feel dorky right now.
Yeah, I feel dorky as well, but I don't know, it feels much safer to speak English, you know?
Yes. Because then it's so obvious to the other people around us that we're not doing this as serious business, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
We're just like hanging out and being dorky.
Yes. We're almost there. Can you see the tower? Is that the tower?
She's going that way,
Oh, she's going that way.
so we need to say goodbye now.
Okay.
Vi har en levendish.
Teresa is going to her train now.
Levendish.
I actually call her Tutti, but yeah.
Yes. But I said
Bye bye. Oh! Det gör ont. Yeah, we need to be You slapped me in the face.
Did you know that they were gonna send out an what's it called?
Oh, it's so cold.
What's it called?
Plus F-varning.
Vad fan ska vi säga där? Klass 1? Nej, stormvarning.
Jaha. Vi kommer ändå gå i skolan.
So this is the Cathedral of LUND.
Yes. Isn't it beautiful?
It's very majestic, yes. My feet are cold as fuck. This is
Those aren't even winter shoes.
No, they're not. They are spring shoes.
I don't understand how she can wear those. Oh, here it is. The
I
bag.
only have my
We're going in now. Bye. So we just came out of the church. We just came out from the bank and
something extraordinary happened.
Yes.
It was like the best customer service I have ever experienced. in my
Yeah,
entire life.
ever.
He was like, yes, can I see your ID? And someone was like, yes, sure. And then she just fixed it. Yeah, transferred money from the bags or something to Sanna's credit card. And then it was like over.
Yeah, it was done.
Yeah. Now, Sanna has more money.
Yeah. We don't know what they're doing there, but can you see it better now? Oh, I almost walked into that pole. Do you know what they're doing back there?
Yes, I know what they're doing.
What are they doing?
They are demonstrating
Why are they demonstrating?
because they want electric buses
Oh.
instead of gas buses.
Yeah.
And I made a big thumbs up to her. I don't know if she saw it, but I tried.
I hope she would see.
Yes, I hope
Where are we going now?
so. We're going to a cafe. But
Okay,
I don't
are you
think
sure you
Rosanna
will
knows it.
be able to get back to school in time?
How much is the clock? How much is the
She says she'll be able to get back there on time.
Yes.
So
At least I hope so.
yeah, so we're
I'm
going
an
to
optimist. I'm an optimist.
what is the name of the cafe?
Since I don't speak Italian, I'm not really sure. But I think it's
Yes. Yeah, and we're out for an hour. Like. So we're at the cafe now, and Agnes ordered.
Yeah, sorry.
What did you order?
a nutty. It was nutty.
A nutty.
Yes, I ordered a nutty raw food ball.
Oh, it's beautiful.
What did you order, my lovely?
I ordered. I ordered an Oreo cheesecake.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes. And I am thinking about reading. How long does it take to go back to school?
I'm not sure.
Perhaps half an hour?
Yeah.
Or like at least 25 minutes? Like at least 20 minutes.
Yeah.
But since I have to take my notes as well. What's
Your
it called?
stuff.
Yes, my stuff. My lesson class stuff. I have to have like 5 extra minutes for that.
Yeah,
Is
so I
it
think
enough?
you should
Half an
go
hour.
when it's like half an hour left. Yes.
It's very interesting because you say half an hour. It's very interesting. I say half.
I know it's much easier to say half an hour.
Half.
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an hour. Half an hour.
Yes, it sounds more like Swedish, so that's probably why. Half an hour. Half an hour. But it's also, I say first sometimes, and not first. How
Yeah.
the fuck does that happen? I speak, right now I speak English, but you know, like I normally speak American English. And I still sometimes say first. And that's like the most British thing you can ever say. You know?
Yeah.
It's very funny because you're looking at the screen. I feel like you're looking at me. And I'm looking into the camera. And I'm looking at you now.
Yeah.
This is so strange. Your viewers, if you have any, they will get so distressed by this. It's very strange, you know.
Okay, I will get back to filming when our food has come.
Yes.
Because now there's nothing interesting.
No, we're just like looking out the window,
Yeah.
looking back at each other. Can't speak anymore. Jag gillar såna långa så jag den lång.
So this is our food always.
Så jag sitter här och bara... Okay, so
Yeah,
the morning is
yeah. We're going to speak
proper English, or at least we're going to try.
we can.
If we can, yeah. Because we cringe a lot when we do it.
Oh no, I ruined the cake.
Yeah, you're gonna
Oh
eat
no.
it. You're gonna eat it, so I ruined my ball.
Yeah.
earlier.
She ate it
'Cause
too early.
Yeah, I tried, and then Rosanna told me.
Yeah, because
We're not
we had
here.
to wait for the camera, you know. Okay, my turn.
It tastes like gingerbread. Should I film you? Good?
Yeah.
But I feel like it's only cream, but it's good still. Do you want to taste it?
The chocolate balls are also vegan, but these feel more healthy. It's so creamy. What's that?
It's the water thing. The water has
Is it inside?
yeah. Hannah, can you see this? You get none
Oh
of it.
right, Hannah is watching. Hello, Hannah.
No, I'm just kidding here. But you can eat it anyways. Okay, bye. I'm finally home and my hair looks like a mess. I look like a troll, but I really enjoy it when it snows, but once it settles on the ground and get all splashy and weird, I really don't like it anymore. So I don't know, it was kind of fun, and yeah. I decided to not go with a too strong makeup today because we were going to the bank, as you can tell from the previous videos or clips. Yeah, we were going to the bank to do some errands and I wanted to look somewhat presentable, so I decided not to do something to my eyes, and then I kind of just put some purple lipstick on. And well, I knew it was going to snow today and I wanted to do my snowy makeup and put some black liquid lipstick on, but I don't know, it just didn't seem right to go like that to the bank because I just felt like I was scared they wouldn't take me seriously. So yep. And yeah, we were going to the bank to do some errands because the bank had been taken like 81 Swedish crowns from my bank account, and it was for their services. And apparently their services costs like 325 Swedish crowns per year, and they would take money from you every quarter of the year. And yeah, they did that to me, but since I'm a student, they can't charge me for that, because on their website it said that for students it's 0 Swedish crowns. So that kind of upset me a little, because I had to take the matter in my own hands and contact them and stuff, since I am over 18 and my parents can't do anything for me anymore, because I have to take my own responsibility and stuff. So it was really frustrating, because I was scared I had to like call them, because I wrote them a message on Facebook asking them about it, because it hadn't happened to me before, and they were like, yeah, you can call us on this number and blah blah blah, or you can come to our bank, to the bank closest to your location, and talk to one of our workers there. So yeah, I decided to go there in person instead, because it's a lot easier to talk to them in person. I really don't like talking on the phone with people, because it's so not comfortable, if that makes any sense. So yeah, see you in my next video, I guess. Bye.